Welcome to Kabibot. What if you could trade crypto without stress, without emotions, and without staring at the charts all day? Meet Kabibot, your smart AI-powered crypto trading assistant. Kabibot is an AI-powered crypto trading bot designed to help you trade smarter. It analyzes the market, identifies opportunities, and executes trade automatically, all in real time. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Kabibot makes your trading experience simpler, smarter, and more efficient. Let's be real, crypto trading can be overwhelming. The market moves fast, emotions take over, and many traders end up making costly mistakes. Kabibot removes the guesswork. No emotions, no panic decisions, just smart data-driven trading. With Kabibot, you get smart AI trading, where the bot analyzes trends and executes trades automatically. You also get 24/7 market monitoring, where you never miss opportunities even while you sleep. You also have a user-friendly dashboard, simple, clean, and easy to navigate. A secure system, keeping your data and transactions protected. You also have performance tracking, where you can monitor your results in real time. You can also access your transaction history, track weekly activities, and top performing workflows. Discover winning automations, set price alerts, and manage your subscription all in one place. Inside Kabibot, everything is designed for ease, automation, and full user control. The overview dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your activities, from trade volume and profits to executions and performance analytics, all in real time. With my bots, you can deploy and manage AI-powered trading strategies that execute trades for you automatically based on smart micro strategies. The My Airbag feature acts as your safety layer, helping you manage risk and protect your capital while trading. The marketplace is used to discover and access different strategies and tools tailored to your trading goals. Through subscription, you can seamlessly manage your plan and unlock premium features designed to enhance your trading experience. For more engaging experience, mini games introduce interactive elements within the platform, making your journey both educational and rewarding. My profile section allows you to customize your account and monitor your profile activities. And if you ever need assistance, the Get Help section ensures you have access to support whenever you need it. Kabibot simplifies trading by combining automation, intelligence, and control all in one powerful platform. How to get started? Creating a Kabibot account is simple and secure. You just go to www.kabibot.com and you select Get Started. Create your account using your details, email, and password. Once signed in, go to My Airbag and verify your email. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email and your account will be fully verified. Kabibot empowers you with AI-driven automated trading, removing emotions and guesswork in your decisions. With its non-custodial system, you stay in full control of your funds while leveraging smart micro-strategies for constant execution. Track performance in real time with a clean, intuitive dashboard built for both beginners and experienced traders. For more information, visit our YouTube page at MyKabiWorld and also follow us on Instagram at MyKabiWorld. You can also follow our other social media platforms on X, Facebook, and TikTok. Kabibot, trade smarter.